How to fix EQ Bank login not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to fix. In today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about a couple of ways that you can try fixing logging into your EQ Bank account or your EQ online banking. So make sure you watch this video until the end and let's get right into it. Now whenever you're trying to log into your account, make sure that your credentials are correct. So in this case, for EQ Bank, you'll need to type in the email address that you use while creating your online banking and the password that you created. If either one of these information are incorrect, you won't be able to log in. So make sure that your email address as well as your password is correct. In case you don't remember or have doubts with your password, you can click on Forgot Password option and then you can follow the steps and create a new password for yourself. Once you have created your password, you can type in your email and the new password that you created and then click on login. If you still can't log in after you reset the password either, then the next thing that you can try out is to clear the cache and the cookies of your web browser. So just click on the three dots that you see on the top right, click on the settings on the bottom and click on the privacy and security tab. Here you'll see an option of clear browsing data. Click on this option and you can see these options, which are cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Make sure these are selected and you can select all time. This way your cookies and site data are going to be cleared, which means if you are logged into any website, you will be automatically logged out. So you can select these and click on clear data. Clearing the cookies and cache files are a great way of fixing these minor issues. Other than this, you can also try logging into your EQ Bank account using a different browser. So if you're currently using Google Chrome, you can use other web browsers such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox or any other built-in web browser that you have. Also make sure that your internet connection is stable. If your internet connection is not stable, you won't be able to use anything on your web browser. So make sure that you are connected to a stable network. Now the last thing that you can do if your problem is still not fixed is to just wait out several hours before you try logging in again. I suggest you to do this because sometimes the systems of banks will have an issue, so you cannot use any of their services. So in this case, you can wait out and then try logging into your account after a few hours. And by then, you should be able to log into your EQ Bank account. So those are a couple of fixes that you can try out in order to fix EQ Bank login not working. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. And that's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more.